Troy with V-Twins, the V8s. I'm back here on the Land Cruiser project. Just going to give you a little video here, show you the power steering and in function, and give you a look at the truck. I've been working on this truck for a little while. It's only got 20,000 miles on it, spent most of its life sitting, and it stuck a couple of valves in the head. I had to take the head off, have the head done, replace a couple of valves, clean up the cylinders, put a new carburetor on it, did all the fluids, messed around with it, got it running really good, converted it to power steering for my client, and I'm going to grab the camera and I'll show you how she runs, and I'll show you the power steering. Power steering pump is running, turning, pumping. There's the power steering box down there, the unit. Unfortunately, I can't turn the wheel and be outside here with the camera. So that concludes our Land Cruiser project. My name is Troy Kane. The website's vtwinstov8s.com. You can catch me on vtwinstov8s.com on Facebook, or you can also catch me on vtwinstov8s.com, my website. Appreciate you tuning in. If I can help you, send me a message, I will. I post a lot of videos. Check out my YouTube channel for Troy Kane, and thank you again.